get is how do we push this act on lead score back into Sugar? The only thing you're going to have to do, because right now, if you remember in the sync that we have, that we just set up, the only field that we're pushing back is to act on lead score. Right now, there's no information to act on lead score because it's just an empty field. We always keep track of the lead score on the back end. You just have to know what field that you want us to put it into. We create what's called a maintenance program. So you hit the action button here. We'll go to maintenance, set up maintenance program. I already have this created in my account, so I'm not going to save this, but I'll just go ahead and put lead score. You name this whatever you want. It's pretty simple. So program steps, we're going to add a step here. We're going to change the field value. We're going to find the corresponding record in my all SugarCRM leads. We're going to find the field, act on lead score, and that's automatically created when we install the package in Sugar, so you'll see that automatically. And then we're going to set it to the act on behavior score. So if you have multiple score sheets, which you can, you'll select the score sheet you can that you want, but we'll just go and choose our default one for now. Hit done. We'll save this. And now you're going to go and put this on a schedule too as well. So you can just have this go daily. We can run it once daily right before the sync. So I'll make that 11:45. We'll give it, let's say 11 o'clock. We'll give it some time to update just in case we have a list of a couple million. We'll save it, and we'll exit it. So now at 11 o'clock every single day, this particular list, because we have a cog here, we can come in and see what's going on. We're going to be updating that particular act on lead score every single day at 11 a.m. I should make that 11 p.m., but no big deal. And we'll do the same exact thing for our contacts too as well. If your team relies on contacts via the lead score. We have some accounts that don't do that, so I'll just leave this as is. So as far as syncing data, that's how we pull information and we push information back in for leads and contacts. With your form submissions, we can do that too as well, and that is going to be in your form settings. So I'm just going to edit one of these forms that we have here. So this is useful editor. Go here to one of your forms. Your CRM settings. You can push the data when someone submits this form. You can choose to automatically go ahead and create new Sugar leads upon a form submission. You can add a note to Sugar. If there's already existing lead already, we can choose to overwrite that data with this form submission if you wanted to. Or if you don't mind duplicates, we have the option of pushing every single one of these form submissions as a brand new lead every single time. We don't recommend that. That's an option if you wanted it.